Viewers, this is a unboxing video of feeler gauge tool. Before that, click on the subscribe button. Once you click on the subscribe button, go ahead and click on the bell icon. You will never miss any updates whenever I upload a new video into my channel. So this is the feeler gauge Amazon box. You can check the link to buy this product in my description. Let me cut it and open it so that you can see the full view of feeler gauge, how it looks. Once I cut it, you can see this is a small metal material used to check the clearance in cars, bikes. So this is the view of car tappet clearance checking using the feeler gauge. You can see the plastic covering is already broken. Now let me open this plastic cover and show you how many it consists of. These tappet gauges are dipped in engine oils to avoid them rusting in storage. So what manufacturer does is, once the manufacturing is completed, they dip these metal gauges in oil to avoid rusting. You can see small amount of engine oil on my fingers. These thin plates are very sharp. We should be very careful using these tappet gauges. Otherwise we get cuts through our fingers. These feeler gauges are used to check the clearance, tappet clearance between the two adjustment tappets in motorcycles, cars, heavy vehicles. So this is the motorcycle tappet clearance, and this is also motorcycle tappet clearance, how we check using the feeler gauge. The number is mentioned how much thickness each plate consists of. You can use specific gauge to check the tappet clearance in each specified vehicles. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. You can check out my playlist where I have made different videos. Based on the categories, I differentiated them. Please share this video. Thanks for watching. I'm bringing many more videos. Please subscribe to my channel.